Yeah, so this is our direct air capture facility here in Squamish, British Columbia. Inside this piece of equipment here is a large fan. It's sat on the top. That fan is going to pull the air through and then through a filter. And as the air passes through, 80% of the carbon dioxide from the air is pulled out. Next thing we do is we put it inside a pellet reactor. So this is what the pellet reactor produces, very small pellets of calcium carbonate. They are 40% CO2. They split and they produce CO2 and oxygen. We capture the CO2, we use the oxygen to help us drive the temperature inside here. So as we make the CO2 more and more concentrated from the air, in reverse, we remake the chemicals that are part of the process. You have a continuous cycle like this, which means that the plant has no consumables, no chemical consumables. So when you add that process on top of equipment that is readily available and used at scale in industry today, we believe we have a solution that can be deployed at great scale and very cost effectively. Our next step will be a 1 megaton facility, which will be in Texas. And that's the type of scale where you start to make a difference. That's the work of about 40 million trees in that one plant. It's a way in which you have an additional tool. We're constantly pulling CO2 out of the atmosphere while we take our time to stop emitting here on the planet.